At the location Ferndorf in Austria, Knauf AMF produces high-class wood-wool acoustic systems, surrounded by the raw materials that we need for our products. Water is life, and it is also an important resource for us. We treat it responsibly and respectfully. In a nearby mine, magnesite is mined for our products. The wood that we use comes from healthy local forests. It is easy to process and can have many uses. It matures in our wood storage area for 8 to 12 months, depending on the seasonal conditions. After the 2-meter-long logs arrive from the nearby storage area, the journey through our factory begins. The processes are controlled by trained employees. We don't want to leave the decision-making concerning our raw materials to machines. One by one, the logs are fed into the multi-blade saw, which cuts them into exact blocks. Even at this stage, we're very careful not to waste any valuable raw materials. Unsuitable blocks are ejected and used for other purposes, while the others are lined up on conveyor belts ready for the powerful planing machines. Modern rotary planers can cope with even the thickest of logs, and they produce the wood wool which we want. While this is being transported on an elevating conveyor to the next production stage, a suspension of water and caustically burnt magnesite is being prepared in another part of the factory. A few minutes later, the wood wool is encrusted with this suspension in a specially developed process. The mixture is then transported to the insertion stations and scattered over the more than 100-meter-long steel belt of the strip forming machine. After the mixture has been loosened, a second steel belt is lowered from above and 2 narrow bands at the sides guide them in. Now begins a roughly 4-minute, 30-meter-long journey through the calibration channel at temperatures of up to 220 degrees Celsius. Thanks to the heat, what leaves the strip forming machine is a continuous, homogeneous, high-quality board. Then the fully automatically circular saw comes into action and cuts the continuous board into panel lengths of between 1 and 3 meters. Before the panels come to rest in the maturing storage area, there are several quality checks to pass first. Exact panel thickness and evenness are absolutely essential. After 5 to 10 days, it's time for the finishing touches. Differing measurements combined with many kinds of edge designs and surfaces mean there are endless possibilities to make something special out of a raw panel. Now the next quality check is carried out. If our employee gives the green light, then the now nearly finished panels can go on to the next stage, coloration. The possibilities are almost limitless here too, whether the customer chooses one of the catalog colors or if the customer already has a color in mind. Everything is possible, even in small quantities. Finally, the drying marks the end of the manufacturing process. The panels are then sent to the packaging robot. While the panels are being packed and their exact destination is being attached, our committed employees are already busy improving our range of products and developing new complete systems. Well packaged, the panels then leave the factory to one of over 80 different countries. The reputation of our products for being of excellent quality is long-standing, and our panels can be found all around the world.